Hello friends, my name is CHETAN and today I am going to teach you cross multiplication method for CBSE class 10th maths chapter number 3 pair of linear equation with two variable, and this sum I am going to solve. So let us start without wasting much time. So guys, for solving any pair of linear equation with two variable by cross multiplication method, first you need to arrange this in standard form. So for that you should know the standard form for linear equation with two variable. Equals to 0 should come. So first I am going to arrange both this equation in standard form. 2x plus 3y minus 17 equals to 0, and here 3x minus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. So first thing that you need to keep in mind is to arrange them in standard form. Students are making mistake in this step because in other methods they don't have to do this, so they are forgetting to do this. So please keep that in mind, and then you need to find out the values of a, b, c from the first equation. That's why I am writing 1 with a of one equation, so that is 2, b of one equation, that is 3, and c of one equation or first equation is minus 17. Students are also forgetting to keep this minus sign also with the term, so please give more focus on signs, guys. Now a2, that is 3, b2, that is minus 2. As I told you, please give more focus on sign, and c2 is minus 6. So first we need to find out a, b and c from both this equation. Now you need to keep this in cross multiplication method formula. So I am going to show you the formula and a easy trick to how to remember this. Let me tell you, this formula is very lengthy. So, and you know that a, b, c is in order. First of all, the order is a, then b, and then c. So just skip a and start with b. So first you need to write down BC minus BC equals to, then skip B also, CA minus CA, then skip C. So again you will get start from A, AB minus A. First of all you need to write down this, and then 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. This way easily you can remember cross multiplication formula. This is the formula, guys. Now you need to keep this value inside this. But if you will directly try to put one value in this, 90% chances are that you are going to make mistake. So again they had given you some shortcuts, and on that shortcut only we are telling this method as cross multiplication method. What you need to do, as here we are starting from b, so here also first you need to write down b's value 3 and minus 2, then c's value minus 17 and minus 6, then a's value 2, 3, and then again b's value 3. Just you need to write down all this value like this. Start with B, C, A, B. Start with B and end with also B. Now B1, C2. So B1 into C2, here you can see. But if you will use like this, from upper number towards the lower number you need to go. 3 into minus 6, 6 3s are 18. So minus 18 will come here. Then minus. Directly you can multiply here from lower towards the upper. So this order you need to follow, guys. First of all start with the upper number towards the lower number, then from lower to upper. Okay. Now again minus 12. First of all minus, and then minus minus plus 17 2s are 34. Then y upon. Again from the upper number towards the lower term. So 7 3s are 21, 2 carrying 51, minus 51, bracket, and then again the next term, minus 6 2s are minus 12. Okay, so please don't get confused. This minus is of formula and this minus 12 is our number. Then 1 upon a1 b2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, then minus, and 3 3s are 9. So now x upon, just you need to first of all open the bracket, minus 18 minus 34 y minus 51, and this minus minus will become plus 12, and then 1 upon minus 4 minus 9. So you will get the values x upon 8 plus 4 12, carry 1 5 minus 52, y upon minus 12 plus 50 minus 51 plus 12, so 11 minus 2 9 4 minus 1 3 minus 39, and 1 upon minus 4 minus 9 will give you minus 30. Now these three fractions are equal. You are getting three fractions and all these three fractions are equal. But here you are having x in this fraction, you are having y in this fraction, but here you are having no variable. So what you need to do, you need to compare this both terms with variable with this. How? Let me show you. X upon minus 52 equals to 1 by minus 13. First you need to compare this with this, and then term with y or fraction with y, and compare that with this. So minus minus will get cancelled, or directly x is equals to minus 52 by minus 30. Minus minus will get cancelled. 13 ones are 13 fours are. So the value of x will be 4x. Okay, value of x will be 4. And here let me show you. Let me write down somewhere here. You take this y, so minus 39 on that side, minus 39 by minus 13, minus minus will get cancelled. 1s are 3s are. Value of y will be 3x. So this way, by cross multiplication method, guys, you can find out the value of x and y. And if you like my video, please guys like, share, subscribe. And still if you are having any doubt, guys, then you can join me on my free live lectures every day at sharp 9 AM in the morning. I am taking free live lectures on unacademy app. Just download unacademy app, register with your mobile number and select the goal 9/10th class 9/10 IIT. This is the full name, guys. Actually they had added class 9/10 IIT JEE NEET Foundation and NTSE as the full name for our course, and you need to use the code Galaxy Coaching for joining in my free classes, guys. And if you want to join for plus subscription, then also you can use my code and get 10% discount in the subscription. After registering for free also, you need to search my name Chetan VADHADIYA on unacademy app, and after finding that, just click on the follow button so that you will get notification of all my regular free classes on unacademy app. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.